What's going on, everybody? Today I want to teach you how to make credits in this game, as you see by the title of this video. If you've already done some of the campaign like me, you see this is gonna be on how to make some extra money. It only gives you 2,400, but what you want to do is pick this map, and you can use any car. It don't matter. You want to choose 10 laps for maximum money or credits. And then when it hits 1, you want to exit. And you scroll over to the map right beside it. And then what you do now is choose 1 minute, and you don't do anything. You can do whatever. I don't do anything. I just put my phone down and watch a video or something. But after you finish that 1 minute, all you do is hit retry and wait. That's all you do. So that's how to make free credits in this game.